Okay, so I'm still at 68810 Los Gatos Road. So I'm going to show you the back area. So here's the pool. I'm going to show you the pool. And that's the hot tub. So this is just the back area, back patio area. There's the pool. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the side. So now I'm going to show you the grass area. Still the exterior backyard. So I'll show you how nice these plants are. Aloe vera, the nice cactuses, boxscape. And then you have your grass area. Okay. So this is another location from the back and the side. So these nice pavers here. Okay, so that concludes this video for the exterior of 68810 Los Gatos Road here in Cathedral City. Check out the first video and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.